Hey there! Today I have another Infinitely LOFT unboxing for you. So if you're not familiar with the service, it is a new clothing rental service from Loft, which is one of my favorite stores. And this is actually my second unboxing. I did another unboxing earlier and I'll put a card up above in case you want to check that one out first. But anyway, yes, this is my second box and it actually arrived about a week ago, but I just got back from a trip. I went to Hokkaido in Japan and for fun and it was a nice trip and I did enjoy it. But unfortunately, my box was sitting for a week, which is unfortunate because this is a clothing rental service and you do pay a flat $64.95 a month and they send you unlimited rentals, but you only can order 3 items of clothing at a time. And the number of items you get each month depend on how quickly you turn things over. So I would say after I wore the items in my first box, I wore them right away and I requested another box. I did the online return and then I mailed it out the next day, and the day I mailed it they sent out this box, but unfortunately I left for a trip. But I would say, yeah, their turnaround was really fast. But anyway, I'll put some information in the description box below about how the service works in case you want to check it out yourself. Okay, so with Infinitely LOFT, you always get your box, which looks like this. This is just I guess a standard white box. And everything is nicely packaged. And here's what my items look like in the box. They do have a return mailer to send your items back. And it's USPS postage paid. Okay, and here's my bundle. Looks pretty good. And all of the items that I got are items that I set as priority. Okay, and the first item that I got is a maxi skirt. And this is actually a very kind of silky material. Oh, and it is lined, but the liner is short. Yeah, so the liner is like maybe knee length, but this is a maxi skirt and it does have a slit and it's an elastic waist. I got the size small petite, which I think probably was a good move. It does look pretty big. And my buyout price in this is $34.50, which means this retails for about, what is that, $69? Yeah, because it looks like my buyout price is at 50% off. And I would say this looks brand new. It doesn't have tags, but yeah, I can see no sign of wear on this. Okay, my next item is this top. And this is really cute. And it's in a size medium petite. And it has this kind of a ruffly collar and sleeve. And here's the back. The print is a very cute dandelion with kind of a dusty rose stripe. So yeah, I just thought this was really cute. I actually do have a top in this exact style that I had purchased in my last Loft haul that was black and mustard. Oh, and for this one, my buyout price would be $27, which is a 50% off. So the retail on this would be, gosh, I gotta do math, $54. So yeah, very cute. And I think if I were to buy this out at $27, that's not too bad. But since this is a clothing rental service, I'd be in big trouble if I bought everything out. And I know one of you asked if you actually get credited your rental fee towards any of your purchases, and the answer is no, they don't. But you do get a good discount. So yeah, unfortunately they don't credit you. I guess the fee that you pay is not necessarily a styling fee, but a rental fee. Okay, and my last item is a pair of jeans. And these are very wide leg jeans with a kind of frayed hem. So here they are. And I got the size, what did I get? 6, which is a waist 28. So yeah, I just thought these might be fun. I think that wide leg jeans are kind of in right now. I do have one pair of wide leg jeans I think that I bought. One thing I noticed looking at the site is they don't necessarily have the inseams listed, but if you go to the regular Loft site, there's more information on the product description there, so that's how I was able to look up the inseam. But I'm kind of wondering why they don't have more information on the Infinitely LOFT site, since you know it's right up there on the regular Loft site. But anyway, just my 2 cents. And this one, for the buyout price on this would be $31.50, which reflects a 60% off discount retail. Looking at this, it looks perfectly, it looks new also. I don't notice any sign of wear, and I'm not sure why this has a 60% off and those don't. And my daughter's cat is scratching my couch. Oh dear. I need to get her a scratching post, but oh well. Okay, so that was everything I got in my second Infinitely Loft box. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first item. And it's a maxi skirt. I actually do like the length. It's like about ankle length, right? Right about ankle. And it has good mobility. The only thing, and it does have pockets, which is nice, but I don't know if this actually adds bulk, because it does look pretty wide. I think it's actually not bad. Yeah, I mean, this is actually how people dress. Like, I just came back from Japan, and all the women had like skirts like this length. Yeah, and but it's not something I typically wear. So let's add, when I just have, this is a, I thought since it's full on the bottom, add something fitted on top. So this is just a basic tank top from Tryon. Well, let's try it with the denim jacket. Okay. So here it is with a denim jacket. And yeah, I don't know about these shoes, but I didn't want to go all black. Thought that'd be too much. But I think it looks okay with the denim jacket. I just washed this, so this is my favorite cut from the cloth denim jacket. Wear all the time, and I just washed it. Wash it, machine wash in cold, and then hang to dry. Comes out just perfect. Okay, so that's the first item. I think I'll try with a different top and see how that looks. Okay, and here it is with a different top. This is a kind of a bright coral top that I got from Loft for one of my hauls, and I think one of you suggested that I wear it with a black maxi skirt. So here it is with the black maxi, and I did switch out the shoes to some black sandals. Yeah, I think this actually looks cute too. I need to have a cardigan though. Oh, I do have a cardigan, but it's upstairs. That has like black and white stripes. I think that might actually look cute. So yeah, this is actually cute. I don't have a maxi skirt like this. I have to think about it. But I don't know if it just adds a little bulk, but it is a very nice wearable piece. So yeah, this is maybe something I might purchase. We'll see. Okay, so here is the top. And I think this is a really, really cute top. It fits just right. This is a medium petite, and actually the skirt was in a small petite, and I thought that fit just right also. But yeah, I think this is very cute, and I've just paired it with some white jeans and some very light tan sandals. What I did was I went to the Loft website and looked up each of these items. So you can get them online, and I'll put links to, in case you see anything you like that I got in my haul and you want to purchase it, I'll put a link to the actual Loft website. But they have, like, for certain items, it's almost like style cards, and I'm sure they're all computer generated. But I went to those, and I'll put little screenshots in the corner with the quote-unquote style cards from Loft. So, and I tried to get some inspiration looking at that as to how to style each of the items. So for this one, I've paired it with white. These are Liverpool jeans, and these are tan Clark's sandals. Yeah, so that's cute. And also in one of the style cards, they had it with a navy sweater. Okay, so here it is just paired with a navy sweater that I got about a year ago from Target. I think they still have it, so I will put it, I'll link it below. I have this actually in like 3 different colors, I think. But yeah, this is cute, and you could probably also wear it with like a denim jacket. But yeah, we'll try something different. Okay, and here are the wide leg green jeans. And yeah, I think they're pretty cute. I think they're probably a little longer than they should be. They're probably supposed to hit maybe 3 inches shorter. But I think they look okay. They're about ankle length on me. I just have them styled according to one of the looks from the Loft website with some white sneakers. And this is another Loft shirt that I picked up earlier, and it's just a t-shirt with cacti on it. And as far as the fit, so yeah, I do think the jeans fit, but I think the length is a little long. So I'm gonna try these on with some different shoes, maybe some higher wedges. Okay, and here are the jeans styled a different way. So these are with some higher, these are pink wedges, and these are from Tom's, and I do really love these. And a top that I got from, where did I get this from? Golden Toe. And I really do love this top too. I've worn it a lot actually. And yeah, I think that looks kind of cute. I think that looks very kind of springy, spring into summer. And yeah, I actually think with these jeans and the length and the width, it works better with a higher heel. And unfortunately, the white sneakers didn't work. But yeah, I kind of like these pants. Okay, so that was everything I got in my second Infinitely Loft box. And you know what? I think everything for me, I was happy with. And I'm definitely going to wear them this week. So my plan is to wear them within the next week and then send everything back. And just from my experience with my previous box, it does make sense to do the return item online, just so they know that I'm going to be returning it. That doesn't mean you're going to mail it that day, but it just kind of notifies them so they can start prepping your next box, so that when you do mail your box back, it'll be ready to go. So that's what happened with me. I did the return item the day before I mailed it, and the box was sent out the day I mailed it. So everything is USPS, so once they see that it's tracking, they'll mail out your next box. So they don't have to wait for your box to actually arrive before they send out the next one. They'll send out the next one, it looks like, as soon as you actually drop it in the mail. So that's a good thing, I think. So just as a best practice, it's always good to return your items online as soon as you wear them, prior to your mailing it back. And then also what they recommend is that in your closet, you're supposed to have at least a minimum of 8 items, but they recommend having at least 20 items. So I actually have 38 items. I had no problem filling my closet, and I always check they have a new arrivals tab, so I do check that periodically to see that there's new items, and if there's anything new, I will put it in my closet. And then anything that you really, really love, you just set as a priority. So that's what I've done. So far it's worked out for me, and I've gotten 6 items. They've all been one of items that I've prioritized. And as far as availability, it seems like everything, almost everything that I've wanted to put in my closet, I've been able to find and get in my size. There has been maybe one item that I saw that didn't have the particular size that I wanted. So I'm not sure how that works, if that means it's all sold out because people have bought it, or if, you know, they're going to get more items later. So anyway, I'm so far liking this service, but it's still early yet, since this is only my second box, but I do plan to continue this for another couple of months at least. And I just signed up for yesterday another service I saw called Haverdash. So it's by the same company that runs this rental service. So this is from Loft, but the company that actually runs the rental service is called Castle. So that company has its own in-house brands. One is Gwynny, which is like a rental service that has been around, I think, for a few years at least, and that is just for plus sizes. But they just launched a second service called Haverdash, and that one is actually geared for millennials. But I'm not a millennial, I'm 53, but you know, I just thought I'd try it. A lot of the clothes, I looked on their website, looked kind of cute, and I think age appropriate for me, I would try. So, but of course on that website, since it's geared towards millennials, I didn't see as many things that I would like as I did on the Loft website, but there were still quite a few items that I thought would work for me. So I just wanted to try out that service. So yeah, so hopefully that'll be coming soon, since I just signed up for it. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful and somewhat entertaining, and I am going to bring in one of my 2 lazy friends to say goodbye. They're both sleeping though. Come on, who wants to say goodbye? Oh, Kaya got up. Okay, so here's Kaya. And she's been having a lot of fun with Molly the cat lately. I think they're kind of like friends, right? Although Kaya just loves to play, and I think she ends up chasing her sometimes. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos and some outfits of the day. And if you enjoy watching this kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.